Happy Halloween, friends! I am sharing with you my last Halloween video. I took some thrift flips, some Dollar Tree items, some trash, and I made a bunch of mini Halloween decor. These are super adorable and super easy to make. Use this as inspiration for next year, or think how you can turn this into any holiday decor with your own spin. Welcome to my channel, Freckled Mom DIY. I'm Devin. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, hey. So this first DIY is adorable. So I had gotten this pack at Target. It was $5 and I got 5 different items in it. So literally like everything's $1. Super cute, super fall, and I love everything. But here I am going to take the Bookstack and I'm going to paint this over with my linen chalk paint. So this is just a little book stack, and I just painted it 2 coats to cover up the words. And now I'm going through with my stamp kit. This is from BB Crafts, and I do have a code, guys. So if it's your first time shopping with BB Crafts, you can get $5 off by using Devin5. I'll put that down in my description. But here I am just hot gluing some Spanish moss and some Dollar Tree pumpkins. I think these are super cute, and they have different sizes. So I have 2 different sizes here that I'm using, the larger ones and the mini ones, or smaller ones, but you can see it. And how adorable is this? Haunted Ghoul Hayride. And I just mess up the words a little bit just to make it a little spooky. I left the twine on there. This was so simple, so easy, and you could do this for any holiday by swapping out the words and swapping out the pumpkins. So you're welcome. Let me know down in the comments how you would turn this into whatever holiday you're working on. So this is again another Dollar Tree flip. This is so cute, and this is just one of those little blocks, and I'm not doing too much, guys. So I have this garland of skeletons. I took the garland off and I'm just hot gluing them right to the little board here, and I'm putting them in different positions. I ended up not using that third one and instead using another one of those pumpkins, and that is it, guys. It was so simple. This is how simple you can turn Dollar Tree items into adorable home decor. This would be perfect for a small tiered tray or putting it just in front of some other decorations. And again, you could change this to whatever season you're working on. So here is a little bit of trash. So I had these cans and I cleaned them out first of all, and then I brought them out to the garage and I did a little spray painting, and I just did like spurts of color. So I did an espresso, an almond, a black, and I want to believe a little bit of a metallic copper. And this, again, I'm just doing quick little spurts, and this just gives it like that rusty old kind of look. And I just keep going back and forth until I get my desired look. So this is really just however you feel of what you guys want to do. Again, this is trash, so you really can't mess it up. And it does look like I used a little bit of gray here, and again, whatever colors you like. So I printed off these labels from my printer, and I'm just going through once my spray paint is dry, and I put a nice layer of Mod Podge. I layer on with my finger, and then I rub it on really good, and then I do another coat of Mod Podge. And again, this could be done for whatever holiday you want. It doesn't have to be just for Halloween, although these are super creepy and spooky, so it works perfect. But you could change up the colors and the labels and totally make this into an adorable fall or winter theme. And I could even see some kind of vintage Easter here. So many different possibilities. I love this. Super easy. I can't tell you guys how quick this was. After I made a nice little assembly line of Mod Podge on the label, and then Mod Podge over the label once I push it down with my fingers. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It is definitely a vintage look. Then I went through with a little bit of my antique wax, and I just went around the edge of the label just to give it that distressed kind of look and make it look old. And also it just kind of, made it look like it wasn't a can from your trash. If you're new to my channel, we are renovating our 1925-year-old cottage, and we are doing it using thrift flips and thrift items, Dollar Tree crafts, and of course, a little bit of trash to treasure. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button while you're there. And make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Now, I am super in love with these. I think these are so cute, but you see over there on the left, I have some Spanish moss, and we are about to do something fun. So this is just some paper towel. You could use whatever you wanted. I just use it as filler. And then I push it down just a little bit so it's right at that top. And you can just see I am having, I guess, difficulty with some paper towels. And then I go through with a little bit of hot glue, and then I just stick my Spanish moss right on the top. And I think this is so adorable. I saw something like this for fall, and I thought this was so cute, and I could totally see it as a Halloween decoration. I just love it. And again, you could use whatever you wanted, a plastic bag or some floral foam, whatever you wanted as filler. I had paper towels right next to me, so that's what I used. And you know I have a love-hate relationship with Spanish moss. I don't think I'm the only one with that. So let me know down in the comments if you have a love-hate relationship with Spanish moss. And I think these are so cute and, again, so quick. And I think it just brings such an adorable little touch with that little vintage feel on top of my adorable tray. That tray my husband got at a job, and it is so cute. I did nothing to it except clean it, and I love it so much. I think it works so perfect with these vintage Apothecary tins. So now let's stay with the Apothecary theme. I love these little jars. I had gotten them for $3.99 at the thrift store. I think there was 5 of them. Definitely better than just buying them at the Dollar Tree. So I did the same thing. I just went through with my Mod Podge and did the Mod Podge on the label. And those labels, I just had Googled like spooky Apothecary labels, and I printed these out on regular paper from my printer, and I'm just laying it down and using my finger to smooth it out so there aren't any air bubbles. But even if it is, that's okay, because we're doing creepy today. Again, these would be so cute with, if you were doing winter, you could do something with candy canes or something with a winter theme. You could totally turn this into any holiday, and I think it would be super cute. So don't think we're just doing Halloween right now, which we are, but you will see you could get inspiration for any holiday, just changing up the colors and the paper you print out. There are so many different possibilities here, and I just love this so much. This was definitely somebody's spice rack because I couldn't get some of the labels off, and I saw cinnamon and pepper, and some of the labels I just couldn't get off, even when I used my heat gun, as you can see here. So that's okay. I just covered it up with the label. And this is for my own home holiday decor. I'm not selling these, so I am not worried about it. I think these are just so sweet, and I am just amazed at the possibilities with Mod Podge. How adorable did these come out? They are super cute, super vintage looking, super creepy, and I just love it. I think they are so perfect, and if you really wanted to, you could put some kind of colored liquid inside or little pieces of something. And that's what I did right here. So these are super adorable little witch hats. So I had gotten everything at the Dollar Tree. These are Dollar Tree canisters with lids, and I'm using the scented pine cones to fill up one of them. And I love these scented pine cones. You guys have heard me say it all through fall. I don't even know how many bags of these I had bought in, but I love them. So each little bin is going to get filled up with something different. What is not seen here is how amazing these smell. We need smell-o-vision for this video because I am so in love with these pine cones. I just think they smell so delicious. So now I'm going to fill up this other one with some of the skull fillers and some lights, and these are lights found at Dollar Tree, and they had different ones. They had spiders and pumpkins. I believe this one is the pumpkins, and these are just super cute for holiday. I love how they have the different lights that you can use for your decor. And of course, you know I love whenever I can add a little something something to my decor. So we will be lighting this up very soon once I get all these lights in here. I probably could have sped this up for you guys, but now you see how you can push all the lights in. I just think this is super adorable. I love how it came out. I did have a little oopsie on this. Again, this is just for my own home decor, but I decided I was going to hot glue the battery pack to the back, and it kind of melted the jar a little bit because these are the plastic jars you get at Dollar Tree. And you can find these in the craft section, but be careful, don't push too hard because you will melt the jar, which is what happened. And here I was just trying to, I don't know what I was trying to do, but these little witch hats were little picks from Dollar Tree. I think they're super cute, so I just pulled them off the picks, and I'm just going to hot glue them to my little jars here. One jar I filled up with a package of bones that were at the Dollar Tree. So nothing special there, nothing to show there, but these are super cute. I just want to make sure that the lights work before I start hot gluing everything. And again, you could open these up and you could change out whatever was inside of it. Doesn't have to be Halloween. You can also fill this up with whatever seasonal decor you're doing. This is me just trying to level it out. Like I said, it melted it a little bit, so now it was leaning a little bit. But you know what? It is what it is. That didn't work, so it's just going to be a crooked witch hat thing. I don't know. It's okay. So I just hot glued these little witch hats to them, and I think this is super cute, super easy, and oh my goodness, just so adorable. I am so in love with how all of these turned out. And again, you could be using this as inspiration for whatever holiday you are working on. But today is Halloween, so happy Halloween. Have fun with the kids, have fun with your family. Whatever you guys do for your Halloween holiday, let me know down in the comments. Are you guys trick-or-treaters? Do you watch scary movies? Maybe you don't celebrate at all, but that's one of our favorite holidays in our house. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. I'll see you back very soon, and no more Halloween until next year, guys. So I hope you have a wonderful holiday, a wonderful weekend, and a wonderful week coming up, and I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to check out all my links in my description for my Amazon store and ways to get in touch with me. I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. I'd love to see you over there. And I load up my stories with all kinds of fun stuff that is happening around our home. So I am just excited to see you guys. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.